We have a 2019 Ford Expedition Limited, and as a family of 5 who loves spontaneous weekend road trips, we really needed some roof rack crossbars so we can finally get a cargo carrier. Whether it's the beach or the mountains, we always have a lot of stuff. Everything arrived in one box, and all the pieces came securely wrapped in bubble wrap with a simple 7-step instruction manual as well as safety tips. I'm loving the matte black finish on these. Assembling the crossbars themselves was fairly quick and self-explanatory. There's sticker labels for the left and right brackets, and the screws are already in place. You just remove them, add the bracket, and then screw them back. One thing to note in this step is not to tighten those screws too much, because once you get up to install them, you'll need to adjust the length so they fit nicely. There's arrows on the crossbars so you know which way faces forward. We had a little bit of a learning curve with this first one. We had to play around with getting that length just right, but by the time we went to the other side, my husband figured out how to align those holes without forcing the screw. Once all those screws fall into place, you'll tighten them with the Allen wrench that was included in the toolkit.
It's easy to get the back ones in first, but the front ones are a little tricky. You gotta bang on it a little bit and then it works its way into the hole.
Everything went great when he figured out the little bumping trick. Very important to secure and tighten those screws, but these babies aren't going anywhere. Central aluminum tube is thicker towards the front and narrower in the back, mimicking a wing-like design for low wind noise. These have been on for about a week, and I can say we've had little to no wind noise.